Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install PHP into your Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to our Chrome browser and then we will come over the search option and search for PHP download. And after that, click enter. And after that, here you will get the first link called www.php.net. So click on downloads and here you are in PHP official server. So we will going to download Windows downloads. So that's why we will clicking on Windows downloads. And after that, here we get two options called VS16X64 non-thread safe and thread safe. Here you can see two options, thread safe and non-thread safe. So we will going to install or download thread safe zip. So click on that. Here you can see our download is started over here. You can see. So it will take some of seconds. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see download is completed. Now we will minimize this and go to our download sections where you downloaded it. So we downloaded it in downloads. So here you can see this is our PHP folder, the zip folder that we downloaded, and now we will going to extract it. For that, we will click on our right mouse button and go for extract all options. Here you can see extract all and come over extract and it's extracting. Here you can see. So here you can see our file has been extracted. Here you can see. So now what we will going to do, we will going to rename it or change the name by clicking on rename, and we will select the dash and the rest of one and click delete. So we only remain PHP-8.3.8 and then click enter. And this is our PHP all files that we needed for downloading it. So now we will going to cut it from here and we will going to change it into our local disk C. So for that, we will came into local C drive and going to paste it over here like this. And here is our PHP-8.3.8. You can see. So now we will going to create a path into our environment variables. For that, we need to copy its location. And after copying it, minimize this and go to search option and search for environment variables. Here you can see we got the first one. And then here we are in system properties and click on advanced and go for environment variables. So here you can see here is our path. So select edit and create new over here. So now paste the location you copied and paste it over here like this. And after that, click OK. OK. And OK. And now here you can see we created a path into environment variables, and now we will going to check it that our PHP is confirmedly installed or not. For that, we need to go for command prompt and run as administrator. And now we will type php --version and click enter. And by this, here you can see there is PHP 8.3.8 is downloaded. You can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.